Hi, my name is Dr. Cueto, representing here at Herald Chiropractic and Sport. I'm here to talk a little bit more about lateral epicondylosis, which is tennis elbow. So, I got a patient here who's actually suffering from that diagnosis. Again, it's the pain in the lateral side of his elbow. Upon certain physical findings or examination findings, when he has his fist up this way, I try to push down, he tries to resist, he actually exhibits a little bit of pain or point tenderness right in that area. Okay? Typically, a lot of that's affected is his biomechanics of his spine, especially his upper back and his neck, which is what we have to correct. So that's the first thing we're going to do right now is actually correct his cervical spine or his neck. Okay, after I actually adjusted his neck, what we're going to move on to now is actually working on his elbow here. So a couple of things we could do, adjusting the elbow, his proximal radius, to get it to move better. The other aspect is also taking care of any type of chronic tendinosis or even scar tissue around this area here. So right now we're actually going to use the faktr method. So with the faktr method, we're actually using an instrument to break off any scar tissue as well as release any tightness in the muscle. So it's actually very gentle, it takes only a few minutes. And once this clears up, we can actually move the patient into other different types of other rehab therapy. So things like using a TheraBand flex bar. And as he flexes his right fist forward, we actually start moving it this way. And eventually, as we clear that up, he could actually start doing his exercises also with resistance and flexion. Okay, other aspects of rehab that we can also start working on is his posture. So a big part, again, of his problem for his tennis elbow is his posture. He's got the forward rolled shoulders, which we're trying to straighten up with the middle trapezius, and eventually the rhomboids and the lower trapezius. So if there's any other further questions, you can go ahead and visit our website at www.heraldsquarechiropractic.com.